Hey everybody, Grayson here from Poke Profit. End of week market update, sealed products, singles and slabs, over $1,000 USD. Before we hop into this, I want to give a shout out to today's video sponsor. It is the Arcane Archive on eBay. They're going to be your one-stop shop for everything Pokemon, One Piece, Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, and a couple other TCGs. 100% positive feedback, guys, on over 12,000 items sold. They do buy it nows and auctions. I'm going to highlight a couple that are currently running. Mewtwo V-Star, PSA 10, beautiful card. It's currently only going for $132.50, a little bit over 4 days left there. And then also the Mega Latias EX from, this is Mega Evolution, I believe. 3 days left there, $275. So some awesome slabs. Go check them out. They also buy collections. So if you want to take profits, reach out to them on Instagram. They're great to deal with. I'll leave links in the description down below. And with all that said, thank you to the Arcane Archive for sponsoring the video. Hopping into things, starting off with sealed, as always. Celebrations. Celebrations has actually been probably the best performing sealed product you could be in this year. So far, it's done a lot better than I would have expected. The UPCs, they're starting to level out around $1,200, which is kind of shocking to me. I thought they were going to keep running up to $1,300, $1,400, but a lot of sales now around $1,200. This one at $1,222. A lot more supply, by the way, coming to market for the UPCs. If you guys look in TCG Quant, you go to the premium collections there and look at celebrations over the past couple weeks. It's starting to ramp up a little bit there. We had a pack of Aquapolis sell $1,675. Not something we cover too often, but I figured it was cool. Figured I would throw it in there. We also have a Paldean Fates booster bundle, $1,765. We have a sealed Prismatic Evolutions ETBK sold by the Arcane Archive, $1,950 at auction. Prismatic continuing to run. It seems like we're at that point in the life cycle. People are starting to appreciate it. They're starting to build their positions. 151 booster bundle display, $2,025. It seems like the 151 bundles are starting to move back up slowly. Evolving Skies booster box, $2,711. It's not the mintiest box ever. I have seen sales in the 24 to 2,500 range too over the past week on auction. So this was the highest auction I had seen. Then after that, Paldea Evolved sealed booster box case 3,000. That comes out to $500 per box inside. Phantom Forces ETB. This one actually looks like it's in really good shape. And it's in acrylic too. $4,500 there. We have a Fusion Strike booster box case sealed. $6,071. That is over $1,000 per booster box inside. Ancient Origins booster box, I don't know why that was closed. $7,407 through Probe Scene. Pretty big sale there on Ancient Origins. We had a Flash Fire booster box sell as well, $10,005. This might be all-time high. I can't remember if we've seen a Flash Fire box sell in the 5 digits before. So someone let me know in the comments down below. But either way, starting to move back up in price. This is a Paldean Fates booster bundle master case, and this sold for $10,100. There's 6 bundles inside of that, or bundle displays rather, inside a master case. And then we have a lot of booster boxes that sold. So Team Up, $12,500. That is a massive sale on that box. We have a Plasma Blast box that sold for $13,250. Not too often that we see Plasma Blast show up in these videos. Same thing with Black and White. I believe this is base set, $13,300 there. Phantom Forces, $14,033. I don't believe this is all-time high, but we're getting back up there in price on Phantom Forces. We had a Diamond and Pearl Mysterious Treasures booster box. I don't think we've ever covered this before in one of these videos, but $14,211. Anyone who owns one of these, let me know in the comments down below. I bet it's a very small percentage of people watching, maybe 0%, honestly. After that, Evolving Skies booster box case, $14,955. We have a Black and White Next Destinies booster box, $18,100. The top of this box looks a little funky, but I think it's just the photos and the glare coming from the white box and having the light on top there. But either way, overall, box looks like it's in pretty good condition. And the final sealed item of the week, we have a WotC first edition Gym Challenge booster box. And this booster box sold for a whopping $37,500 USD. Now, before we get into singles and slabs, if you guys enjoy this content, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like on the video. It helps out a ton. If you want to subscribe to the channel too, we're getting very close to 16,000. Thank you guys so much for the support. Starting off with the singles and slabs, we have the Chinese exclusive Cubone. This sold $1,025. Pop is almost 8,200 now on that card. I want to say at one point it was selling for 15 to 1,600. So it's come down a little bit off its all-time highs. Pikachu EX from Surging, $1,049.24. Still sub 10,000 PSA 10s there. Mega Greninja EX from Chaos Rising, $1,134. The first few of these that sold, they were headed towards 3,000, but we're already back down to 1,100 bucks. Umbreon V from Evolving Skies, $1,210 there. We have the Pikachu from Ascended, the derpy looking one. This sold $1,225. You will see the Forest Pikachu in a minute. Haunter, this is from the Mega Gengar Battle Deck, $1,325. You guys know, very difficult to grade card, 473 tens out of 5,741 that have been graded. So less than 10% gem rate on that card. Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX, the original SIR from Destined Rivals, $1,500 exactly. We have the Charizard EX from 151, $1,525. They're closing in on Pop 28,000. We have another Charizard card here. This is the V-Star, the promo from the Charizard UPC, Sword and Shield era. This was actually sold on auction by the Arcane Archive, $1,536.77. That is almost Pop 9,200. Fairly difficult to grade as well. Lily from Ultra Prism PSA 10, $1,550. Lugia V from Silver Tempest, $1,575. I think when we started doing this, the Lugia was around 1,000, 1,100 bucks. So up almost 50% in a few months. Then we have Zekrom EX, the BWR from Black Bolt, $1,650 there. Mega Dragonite SIR from Ascended, $1,776. Greninja Gold Star, this is the Celebrations ETB promo PSA 10, $1,820. Very difficult to grade, less than 3,000 these in a 10, and there's been almost 53,000 of those ETB promos that have been graded. Mewtwo and Mew GX, this is a promo from the Sun and Moon era from a tin, $2,050 there. We have Snorlax, which is the 151 ETB promo. This is the PC stamped version, $2,200. Mega Gengar SIR, this is definitely coming down in price. PSA 10 is now going for $2,500. This one exactly went for that price, 5,630 of those already in existence. Another Gengar card, this is from Fusion Strike, the alt art, $2,568, now more expensive than the Ascended version. Mega Charizard Y, the gold card from Ascended, $2,750. Still very difficult to grade, but it is coming down a little bit in price. The Phantasmal Charizard's holding up very well. This copy here sold for $29,002, now over Pop 25,000. And after the Zard, we have the Forest Pikachu. This sold from Australia, 4,650 Australian. That is approximately $3,206.64 USD. That is now Pop 4,300 on the Pikachu. So a lot of those have been sent off for grading. Slowpoke and Psyduck GX. This is from Unified Minds in a 10, $3,350. Blastoise and Piplup from Cosmic Eclipse, $3,550. The tag team card is still selling very well on eBay. The Umbreon, the Moonbreon, I should say, from Evolving, $4,200 flat. That is now over Pop 21,000. Then we have N Zekrom. This is the Ascended Heroes ETB promo. It is the Pokemon Center stamp version. Only 36 of these in existence. Less than 5% PSA 10 rate. Very, very difficult to grade. $4,380.95. I think there were sales at one point over 7,000. So this card is selling for much less now. That was kind of a crazy sale when it happened though. that definitely wasn't sustainable in my opinion. Charizard V, this is from Champions Path. It's the ETB promo. BGS 10 Black Label, $5,200. So a massive sale there. Gardevoir and Sylveon GX PSA 10, $5,400. Multiple copies of this card sold over the past 7 days. We do have an ungraded card on the list, Espeon Gold Star. This card is definitely not going to be getting a PSA 10, but even in that condition, $5,500, fairly massive sale there. And I think we covered another one a couple weeks ago, and it was in this range as well. So it's in line with where market is. ADP, PSA 10 from Cosmic, $5,500. Really cool card, in my opinion. Alakazam, this is the full art from, or the secret rather, from Fates Collide PSA 10, $5,800. Pop 774. Umbreon EX from Prismatic, the SAR. This is definitely moving up in price. This sold for $6,900. I want to say I saw another sale at $7,100. So it's in this range around $7K at this point. Still sub 6,000 PSA 10. So not a ton of these out there. Zekrom EX. This is from Black Bolt. It's the SAR. BGS 10 Black Label. So fairly large premium here. $7,399. And then after that, we have the Burning Shadows Charizard GX, $7,500 exactly. Umbreon and Darkrai GX, this is a promo, I believe, from the Sun and Moon era, $7,500. Considering Pitch Black is coming out fairly soon, it's not really that surprising. This card starting to get a little bit more attention. It's also not a super easy to grade card. 1,119 tens and 13,443 of these have been graded, so less than 10% PSA 10 rate. Sylveon EX, this is from Generations, the Radiant Collection, $8,300, another very difficult to grade card, only 299 copies in existence. Gengar and Mimikyu GX from Team Up, $8,350. Bubble Mew, Mew EX from Paldean Fates, BGS 10 Pristine, $8,400. So fairly large premium here over the PSA 10 copy. And just a handful of cards to get through. We have the Mewtwo GX from Shining Legends, PSA 10, $9,000. I think I saw a sale as high as like 96 or 9,700 this week as well. So it's continuing to hold over 9K. Celebrations, the Pikachu metal card from the UPC, PSA 10, $11,175. Another very difficult to grade card. Mega Rayquaza EX, this is from Ancient Origins, $12,100 there. We have the Pikachu Munch promo, PSA 10, $15,100. Pikachu EX, another one of these derpy Pikachus from Ascended. This is, of course, a black label, though, $15,255. So a massive premium over the PSA 10 copy. Lovebirds in a 10, $17,100. I think I saw a sale over 19 too, another one around 18. So this was actually on the lower end of what I saw, but it's holding at least at 17,000. Mew EX, this is the Chinese exclusive one, $27,100. This is a PSA 9. I want to say the 10. I think there was a sale on Alt or another platform for almost $70,000 this week. So this card's run in a 10 from $20,000 to $70,000 in 6 months, which is very, very impressive. A lot of eyes on this Mew card. And the final listing of the video, another Mew. This is a Black Star promo from 2006, $39,100. There are only 27 copies of this card in existence. It is the Trainer's Challenge Mew as well. So cool to see that. Don't get to see that too often in these videos. You guys let me know in the comments down below. What was your favorite auction of the week? And again, go show some love to the Arcane Archive. I'll leave links in the description down below. With all that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe wherever you are in the world. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll catch you in the next one.